How to add friend code on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the referral code from your friend. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. So here in your profile settings, here you'll be able to see the option called coupons and offers. So it might vary because there are different updates of this Temu application. So here in my context, it's in the right hand side. Tap on coupons and offers. So here, this is the coupon code section. So this is the section where you must enter the coupon code given by your friend. Here, you must enter the coupon and apply it. So this will give you discounts and many offers in the products that you use. So try applying them and you'll be able to have a lot of discounts in the items. So you can simply go back. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.